Okay, guys, so greetings from Quebec. I wanted to touch on something with all of you because I see this, daily online, and something I had to learn the hard way in the past 6 years of becoming my own doctor. And I know how some people just like myself included, sometimes just watching a video and listening to someone talk is the way to go. So here it is. Um, there's a proper way of detoxing heavy metals and toxicity from your cells. I can, if I would take time to answer every person that I see online on the groups I'm part of that are suffering through detox, that are asking if it's a herxing, am I herxing? What binders do I need to take? I did this detox for 30 days, but I'm still feeling like crap. What's going on? Any thoughts? If I were to reach out to all those people, I would probably not have enough of 24 hours in my day to do so. So hopefully this message can reach as many people as possible. There's this thing that is called the Cation Exchange. So when you're removing the heavy metals from your binding sites in your cell, you need to be replacing that with minerals. So unless the product that you're using does that, then you have a chance of experiencing mineral gapping, or it's also called mineral depletion. And this in turn can lead to autoimmune disorders. And there's a reason. So the Cation Exchange, when you're replacing these minerals in your cell, it has to be done at that exact moment that you're removing the heavy metals. This is called bioidentical replacement. And if the product that you're doing fails to do this at that exact same moment, then you are prone to experiencing those autoimmune disorders in the long run. And that's just it. Like, there's no other way around it. That's how your body functions. So yeah, that is so important. And that's also why, you see a lot of people online, they'll try these detoxes, and I don't want to name drop, but I'm seeing like really big names out there, people trying these super popular detoxes, and they feel good in the beginning, and then in the long run they feel worse, or they don't even feel better, they just feel worse. And that's kind of what's happening to your body. And not to mention the fact that also there's metal redistribution that can happen in your body. So yeah, depending on where those heavy metals will redistribute, well, then your symptoms can come back even worse. So I can't stress this enough, how important this is to support your cells while you are detoxing. And this bioidentical replacement is the reason why you can't just detox with a product and take minerals on the side, because it has to happen at that exact same moment, right? So yeah, hopefully this helps people out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or reach out. I'm open to private messaging as well. What I would have not given, what I would have given in the beginning of my journey, if someone would have came up and told me all of this information that I didn't have, and I wouldn't have had to suffer the way I did. I wouldn't have had to learn, the hard way, because I literally felt like I was going to die in the beginning of my detox journey. So you don't have to. Support your cells. And of course, you should always consult with your healthcare practitioner before diving into this journey.